Hi, so in this video, let me show you how you can print and scan using your PC computer, Windows computer with your HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E. Let's get started from the very beginning. So both of these devices need to be connected on the same Wi-Fi network. So let me demonstrate how you can do this on the small screen over here on your printer, how to connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. In this menu, okay, you can go left and right, but we're going to click on the first option, the menu option. Then you're going to go down, and one of the options should be settings. Select network, select Wi-Fi. Make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on, and you're going to see Wi-Fi setup wizard. Press on start. It will search for all the Wi-Fi networks currently around the printer, so be patient. And you're going to get a list. In this list, you can go up and down, select your Wi-Fi network that you wish to connect to. Then tap over here and enter your password on this keyboard. Press OK, press submit, press OK again, and the connection will start. It usually takes less than 10 seconds. At the end, you're going to get a green check mark and the message connection successful. On your PC computer, we need to download the HP app. So you're going to click on the Windows Microsoft Store down below. If you do not see it, go in search and type Microsoft Store. It should look just like this. On the top bar, you're going to tap and type HP. Once you type HP, you're going to see HP Smart. This is the app that you need to download. So go ahead, press on download. Currently it's installing and we will come back once it's installed. So I show you how to add the printer to the app. Open the app, press accept all or decline optional data. It's up to you if you press, it doesn't matter which one of these you select. I'll select decline optional data. You will have to sign in into your HP account if you want to use all the features of this app. If you select skip now, you won't be able to print or scan, unfortunately. To create an HP account, it's free. It takes just a few seconds. I don't like doing this, but that's how they made it. So therefore, I'll go and select sign in. But yeah, if you don't have one, you'll be able to create one. Okay, we are on the main screen of the app. I'm now connected to my account, as you see there, and I will press on Add Printer. It will search for your printer, and one of the options should be your OfficeJet 8120E series. You're going to click on it. On the printer, you're going to press Allow. Here you can select Decline Optional Data or Accept All. Then you'll be asked if you want to activate HP Plus Smart Features. It's up to you if you want this. If you don't, you're not obligated. Therefore, I'll click Do Not Activate HP Plus. Continue, decline HP Plus. In my case, if you wanted, you could have accepted it. Then over here, okay, it will tell you if you want to continue, press Continue. I'll click Skip Activation. So here I'll press Do Not Enable Ink Delivery, Skip Offer, Continue Setup. Here I will ask to notify when available because it will ask you if you want to install the updates automatically or you want them to ask you, and then you'll be able to install them. And this is what I choose. I'll press Save. Over here, Skip Sending Link, Skip Printing Page, because I'll show you how to print with your printer, so there's no point of doing this. So now we are on the main menu. Over here, I don't know why it says my session has expired. I'll press sign in, and I guess I'll have to sign in again in my HP account. I don't really like this app. Unfortunately, I have to use it if I want to print with my PC. If there is an update available, they will ask you, press yes to install it, press no if you want to skip it. So if you want to print a document or a picture, you have these options over here. You have print document, or you also have print photo right under. So select one of these you want. I will print a photo, so I'll click print photo. Select on your computer where the photo is currently located. Mine is in the download folder, so I'll click here, I'll select it, and I'll select photo to print. Now it's time to make sure your printer is the one selected, and you have other details, the paper size, make sure it's the one you want. If you want to print in color, black and white, of the type of printer you want to print, and at the end, press the print button. It will be sent to your printer. Okay, great. I got the print, I get a green check mark, everything is great. Now let me show you how to scan. So this printer has two scanners. Over here we have a basic scanner. Take the page you want to scan, place it facing down with the top part of your document towards the left side and align it with the top left corner. So push the page until it touches corner to corner here. And then you can close the lid. If you want to use the top automatic document feeder because you have multiple pages you wish to scan, align them, place them facing up this time with the top part of your page towards the left side. You have two of these guides that you need to push on the extremities. Then insert the paper in between them like that. And now we're ready to scan on the computer. Press on the scan icon. Exit this. You have a few different options over here that you may change. For example, source, select where you have put your paper in the top document feeder or the scanner glass. I have put it on the top. Select any presets if you're scanning documents or photos. Scan over here which paper size you have input. Do you want to scan in color, black and white? At the end, press the scan button. And if you have choose the automatic document feeder, the printer will take the page one by one. Okay, so I have all the pages I have scanned over here, and I have the options down below to print what I just scanned. Or if you want to save it on your computer, click on Save. Give this a new name if you wish. You can delete the default name. Select which kind of file you want to save. Press Save. It will ask you where do you want to save it. Let's say on the desktop. I'll select Desktop, press Save. Here we go. The file just appeared over there. So this is how you use your HP printer, that is the OfficeJet Pro 8125E. If you want to get some replacement ink cartridges from Amazon or some paper compatible with this printer, I'll put links. So check the links in the description, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.